In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text blocks in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine. If you're looking to enhance your Squarespace website with engaging text content, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease and clarity. So let's dive in and make your website pop. First, the journey begins by logging into your Squarespace account. You can do this by navigating to the Squarespace login page and entering your credentials. Once you're in, it's time to focus on the website section. Look for the website area on your dashboard and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens, as it takes you to the editor where your creativity can flourish. Next, the excitement builds as you click on Edit. This action opens up the page editor, where you'll find the tools necessary to customize your site. Once you're in the editing mode, direct your attention to ADD Block, an option you'll find in the corner or along the top bar within the editor. Clicking this provides a variety of different blocks you can insert into your web page. Among the choices, locate the text option. Clicking on text allows you to add a new text block to your page. Now, Squarespace gives you the flexibility to position this text block just where you want it on the page. Simply click and drag it across the grid layout until you find the optimal spot. It's as straightforward as dragging and dropping your ideas into place. Once positioned, you might need to adjust the size to better fit your design. This is easily done by grabbing the corners or sides of the text block and resizing it. Whether you want a larger or more compact text area, it's all within your control. With the optimal placement and size decided, it's time to unleash your words. Double-click the text block to open the text toolbar and start typing your content. This is where your creativity can shine as you draft meaningful messages or catchy headlines. For more structured paragraphs, simply press Enter to create a new one as you go along. With text input well underway, you can emphasize key points by highlighting specific text. This opens formatting options, allowing you to change its style, size, or apply bolding, giving certain words or phrases that extra oomph. If you're experimenting further, a single click on the block, without double-clicking, will open a design panel. Here you can delve into adjusting font spacing, weight, and color, or even exploring pre-designed font packs to find the perfect match for your site's aesthetics. Squarespace also allows for additional customization. You can add a background color to the text block or even insert links within your text, making your content interactive and visually appealing. You can also enhance your design by layering text blocks over other blocks for a detailed look. Incorporating text blocks in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine provides a dynamic way to convey information and beautify your website. I hope you found this step-by-step guide both informative and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy designing.